Hello, a big welcome to Fresh Bakes Culinary Studio. Today we'll be making a baked dish from zucchini called zucchini al forno. Let's start by prepping the zucchini. I'm using a green one over here, but a yellow one is also totally fine. Let's knock off the tip of the zucchini and then slice it lengthwise. Look at all that moisture that is there on the surface. Zucchini has almost more than 90% of water content. So we will be sprinkling some salt over it and try and wipe out all the moisture that comes on the surface. Over a kitchen towel, I am going to lay the zucchini slices upside down so that it soaks up all the moisture that is there on the zucchini slices. The salt has released some water from the zucchini slices. So what we are going to do is we are going to wipe out the excess moisture with a kitchen towel, and we'll do that for all the zucchinis. We are going to convert these zucchini slices into zucchini boats by scooping out the flesh from the middle. We'll scoop out all that flesh into a bowl. This flesh is going to be used to make the filling. So as you can see, I have kept the walls thick enough and the zucchini is also pretty firm. Let's finish up all the zucchinis like that by forming boats. Now that the boats are ready, let's get on with the heart of the dish, that is the filling. Now this flesh that we had scooped out from zucchini is sitting in this bowl and I'm going to mash it with a masher. The idea is to make it into a smooth paste and also get rid of all the water that is there in the zucchini. We will be discarding the excess water because we do not want the filling to be excessively wet. So you can see all that water that is there and I am going to discard that water. No Italian dish is complete without this particular ingredient. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the garlic, crushed garlic. Now let's add mint leaves chopped, and here we have green chilies. You could these are 7 or 8, but you could totally use how much ever you want, how spicy you want the whole dish to be. Next in line is the coriander, my favorite ingredient, finely chopped. I'm adding some breadcrumbs here to bind the whole thing together. In goes the cheese. The more the merrier. I am setting some grated cheese aside for garnishing on the top. Let's add some salt to taste, followed by some freshly ground black pepper. Give it all a good stir. Oil makes everything taste just too good. Let's add olive oil for both health reasons as well as the flavor. Add the remaining brown breadcrumbs into the filling to adjust the consistency. You could also replace it by sourdough breadcrumbs. Before we fill the boats with the filling, let's apply olive oil for that added flavor. Season with some salt. And now is the time to fill the delicious filling into the boats. Let's finish all the boats one by one. Let me apply some oil to the tray in which I am going to bake the boats. Incidentally, in Italian, al forno means baked. So this zucchini dish is now going to be baked in an oven preheated to 230 degrees Celsius. Let's top it up with that remaining cheese. That melty cheese on the top is going to taste so delicious after baking. Let's put it in a preheated oven to bake at 230 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. And it is done. That looks so healthily appetizing. You can have a different variation of the same dish by replacing mint and coriander by fresh herbs like parsley and oregano. This side dish is a perfect accompaniment to any type of pasta, or it's a starter by itself.